All right, we're down here on Redwood in Boulder, Colorado, doing this foundation excavation and installation backfill. We got Ryan working on utilities here in the Kubota up front. Bill is spreading our site soils around. And Becky is trenching for the perimeter drain so she can go ahead and start to get that thing daylighted. She's got the other excavator here, so we got two excavators. We're gonna get a sheep's foot roller compactor in here a little bit later today, and that's gonna be good. Jordan is going ahead and marking the foundation for all of our elevations and showing where he's gonna be putting the, giving marks for our operators to work off of for top of dirt, where we're gonna be backfilling to. And then he's gonna hop in the middle here. We'll be filling the entire interior of this for a slab on grade. So this is all gonna be brought up with lifts. We'll do 10-inch lifts with the roller sheep's foot compactor in here. So we do have expansive soils in here, so we're gonna end up layer caking these expansive soils with some cobbles and sand that's gonna be coming in from another job site. It'll be coming in here tomorrow. So today is a lot of prep work and kind of getting ready, and then we will be filling up this whole void, and we're gonna try to get all this done in about a week. We'll throw all our hands at it, all our operators, and just kind of keep it going. Here's where the water line's coming out. We're gonna run and convert it over to PEX and then run our locating wire along with it so it can be found. We're gonna stick this frost-free valve in here. So we'll dig a hole right here and fill it up with crushed concrete. And then we'll tie that together with a compression fitting, a little bit piece of copper, and then we'll convert it over to PEX, and we'll run with our shark bite barb fittings and our crimping tool. We're gonna run the water line right along the bottom of this trench here, dive it down into the bottom there, and we have that little knockout there, and we'll be going into the mechanical room in here where we have everything. And we do need to maintain 10 feet of separation underground between our sewer and our water, and we just have it right there. So I'm gonna go talk to these guys here and see how things are coming, and basically we're gonna start putting the job site to bed. Nighty Night Job Site. It's a children's book forthcoming. All right, so we're out here, Jordan, Ryan, Jesse. I just hit this water line here, and you can see it down in the hole. And what we did is we snagged it and it was squirting. So we just cut it off with Ryan's reciprocating saw there. And then we bent it over and kinked it to slow down the flow. And now what we're gonna do is cut it. It's gonna start spewing water like crazy. And we're gonna stick this ball valve on there and with a compression fitting and tighten it down. And it's gonna be squirting out the end of our 10-foot pipe there. And then once we get that compression fitting nice and tight, then we'll shut off the ball valve, and then we'll continue on with our repair and get a nice splice on the downstream side, and then we'll open up the ball valve and make sure there's no leaks, and then we will bury it and continue on with our work.
Here it goes.
Cut.
Now that's some pressure. Come on.
Hey, come on, man, that side. Hold it.
A lot of pressure. Come on. Oh. Oh. Oh shit. Come on. Oh my god, that's some serious pressure.
Set that down, give me a wrench.
It's gonna fly backwards. There you go, Jesse.
Give me the other wrench.
On your left. You almost lost your private parts, Jesse.
My what?
You almost got blasted.
I almost got blasted in the face.
And the nuts. Oh, look at how far it's shooting. Holy mac.
All right, so our method worked. It was pretty exciting. Definitely took a team effort. But we got that ball valve on there and shut it off. All right, I spliced that up, fixed it. Opened up the ball valve a little bit, just a little squeak, and letting it build pressure. No leaks yet. We'll blow out the other end here and see, let it all pressurize full of water. All right, there it is, all pressurized, no leaks, so we're happy. So that little knockout there at the base of the foundation is our sewer line, and we got a high spot right there. We're gonna have to get over this trench and straddle it and dig this out a little more. Basically, we hit the water line, we got that repaired, got some water in the bottom of the hole, but our sewer line tie-in right where we're gonna be tying in is right in here somewhere. We got about 8 inches of fall, which is about 1.5%. 1% slope is 1/8 of an inch per foot. And that is considered by the National Laboratories of Material Testing to keep a 4-inch pipe clean, so we're good there. We have basically utilized most of our pile here for our perimeter grading. We also took today and tied into the perimeter drain, which you can see right here, and we daylighted it out down below, right down there. So between bringing up the grade surrounding the house and starting to backfill some of our mechanical room basement, we are running low on dirt. We still got a decent amount right through here, so we'll go ahead and continue to use all this dirt here. And then we'll start with our interior backfill. We still also need to run the water line, so I'll show you guys that. All right, what's up guys? That was day one down here at the Redwood job site. It was quite a doozy. Ryan and I spent all day digging out this sewer line to try to get enough fall coming down from the house